Big breaking news coming in right now. We're going to begin the bulletin with that only. Now, fuselages of Rafale will be made in India. This is the first time that Dassault, the company that manufactures Rafale, has agreed to now set up a factory along with Tata to make fuselages for Rafale jets in India. These will not only be for the Indian jets that will be supplied to India or will be for the domestic market. This is for globally as well. So the products made here, made in India, will be marketed globally as well. For more on this, let's cut across to India today's Shivani Sharma. Shivani, that is a huge achievement for Make in India, especially in the defense sector. Rafale fuselages made in India, Dassault has agreed to it. Can you tell us more about it?
Anjali, indeed, this is a big boost for not only Make in India, but Make for the World initiative that India has been working upon since past 2 years. And this is a big joint venture of Tata as well as Dassault, where they will be jointly making fuselages. In fact, Tata will be making fuselages for Dassault. And this will not only be for the Rafales to be supplied to India, but also for global usage. So this is the big collaboration that has come up today, where in Hyderabad the facility will be set up by Tata, where it will be manufacturing fuselages that happen to be the main body part of these fighter jets that will be manufactured by France. And per month, there will be two fuselages that will be manufactured from this facility, and this will start from 2028. So this is a big breaking, a big collaboration between Dassault as well as Tata, and that is also a very big step when it comes to Make for the World for India.
Right. Can you also tell us a little bit more? You've told us the timeline, but a little bit more about the importance of the commitment of Dassault to manufacturing here. Could something like this also lead to future investments and stronger ties between the two countries as far as trade is concerned?
Certainly, you see, this is a big French aviation major which is now involved with India, inside India. And this is for the first time when Dassault and Tata are collaborating together in terms of making these parts of these fighter jets that will be supplied globally. So this will certainly impact the economy of the country. This will certainly bring a assurance for other companies also that they can come and make in India. And this will improve the Atmanirbhar initiative of the country by giving more opportunities for the people here, for the skills here. And Tata will be making these fuselages here in the country, and that will impact more and more such collaborations in the future. So this is a very big initiative of collaboration between Tata as well as Dassault that has shown their interest, and that has shown that assurance that India can make fuselages for world's leading French aviation companies that will be supplying these Rafale fighter jets that happen to be the most modern warfare systems.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Shivani, for that. So now India will be partnering with the French giant in producing parts of the big jet Rafale. Thank you very much.